How to download Google Chrome on Android. This tutorial shows you how to install or reinstall Chrome browser on your device. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Next, tap on the search bar at the top. Following that, type Google Chrome and search. Now, tap on Google Chrome by Google LOC from the search results. Moving forward, if Chrome is already installed, you'll see Update or Open. Afterwards, if it's not installed, tap on Install to download it. In addition to that, wait for the download and installation to complete. Once there, tap Open to launch Google Chrome. Subsequently, sign in with your Google account to sync bookmarks and passwords. Moreover, Chrome will now be your default browser for browsing the web. And that's it. If this Chrome installation guide helped you get the browser, give it a like, subscribe for more Android app tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.